Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make butter icing. A very simple method to make butter icing. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make butter icing. So in this butter icing, I've already poured it in. I'm using this is 500 grams of sachet butter, 500 grams. So I poured it in already. So I'm going to turn it until it is whitish in color before I will add my icing sugar. So before adding the icing sugar, I have to sieve it before adding it. So right now I'm turning it. I will continue turn it until it is fluffy and it will fall from my handle. So if you have your mixer, you can use it to mix it, but here I'm using my hand to mix it. So enjoy watching. Thank you. I'll take it back to the back. So I'm adding the icing sugar. This is icing sugar that I'm adding now. Then I will turn it to the consistency that I need. Then I'll add my color. You need some.